Good evening and welcome to our news video. Coinbase receives open arms from Hong Kong legislator amidst SEC scrutiny. Hong Kong is shaping up to be a leading digital hub with its proactive regulation and commitment to fostering industry growth. A Hong Kong lawmaker, Johnny Eng, has invited Coinbase and other cryptocurrency exchanges to set up business in the region and hinted at potential stock listing opportunities. This invitation comes after recent lawsuits filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission against key players in the crypto industry, such as Binance and Coinbase. Hong Kong has stood out against cautious Western countries by embracing a proactive approach towards cryptocurrencies. In January 2023, Hong Kong Financial Secretary Paul Chan announced the government's focus on creating a robust ecosystem for crypto and fintech. Since then, Hong Kong has been actively formulating regulations and implementing compliance measures to support the growth of the cryptocurrency industry. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority, HKMA, has also signaled its intent to lay the groundwork for the introduction of a retail central bank digital currency, CBDC. The initiative, announced on June 9, aims to explore the advantages of CBDCs as a mode of payment for everyday transactions and to enable easier access to cryptocurrency exchanges. The invitation extended by Eng highlights Hong Kong's commitment to becoming a digital hub for the crypto industry. OKX and Huobi were among the first crypto exchanges to apply for virtual asset service provider licenses in the region. Hong Kong's favorable approach towards cryptocurrencies has also attracted the interest of major international technology companies. Samsung, the South Korean tech giant, announced the introduction of a Bitcoin futures active exchange-traded fund on the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong. In mid-February, reports surfaced that Chinese government officials were granting strategic approval to the pro-crypto initiatives undertaken by Hong Kong. This recognition from Chinese authorities further underscores the significance of Hong Kong's efforts in the crypto space and its potential impact on the broader digital currency landscape. Binance faces scrutiny in Brazil, execs summoned to testify before Congress. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, the director of Binance Brazil, Guilherme Haddad, has been requested to appear before the Brazilian parliament by Deputy Alfredo Gaspar, a member of the Brazilian Chamber of Deputies. The request comes as part of an ongoing Parliamentary Commission of Inquiry (CPI) investigation into alleged pyramid schemes. The deputy claimed that Binance was utilized by these pyramid schemes to facilitate asset transfers. If the June 21 vote is approved, Haddad will be summoned to appear before the Brazilian Chamber of Deputies. Binance is also being investigated by authorities in France, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, and the United States, and is allegedly helping clients evade a stop order on cryptocurrency derivatives investments in Brazil. Despite this, Binance has stated that its top priority is protecting users and that it is compliant with the Brazilian regulatory framework. Deutsche Bank applies for digital asset license amid growth push. Deutsche Bank AG has applied for regulatory permission to operate a custody service for digital assets such as cryptocurrencies, according to David Lin, who runs the lender's commercial banking unit. Speaking at a conference on Tuesday, Lin said that the bank is building out our digital assets and custody business. He added that they had just put their application into the BaFin for the digital asset license, referring to Germany's securities watchdog. This move is part of a wider strategy aimed at increasing fee income at Deutsche Bank's corporate bank. This strategy mirrors the efforts of Deutsche Bank's investment arm, DWS Group, to expand income from offerings linked to digital assets. Bloomberg Intelligence identifies custody as the largest potential revenue pool for crypto-related businesses. Deutsche Bank's corporate bank divisions first hinted at plans to introduce digital asset custody back in late 2020, but did not specify when they planned to start offering the service. The division was run by Stefan Hoops at the time. However, Lin took over a year ago when Hoops joined DWS as CEO. The interest from traditional financial institutions such as Deutsche Bank in custody digital assets is increasing. In March 2021, BNY Mellon announced that it would start offering custodial services for cryptocurrencies later in the year. In addition, investment banks such as JP Morgan Chase and Goldman Sachs have said that they are exploring custody digital assets. The custody of digital assets is a logistical challenge that requires specialized infrastructure to store private keys safely. Custodians must also be able to provide additional services such as secure transfers, identity verification, and access controls. Specialized custody services could mitigate some of the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Deutsche Bank and other traditional finance institutions see digital assets as a new opportunity for revenue generation. This strategy is also a response to a shift in investor preference towards digital assets, especially among the younger generation. More and more investors are allocating assets into cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as well as other digital assets. Number 8 Fidelity Investments reportedly filing BlackRock-type spot Bitcoin ETF, acquire Grayscale. Fidelity Investments, the world's third-largest asset management firm with $4.2 trillion in assets under management, is preparing to file a spot Bitcoin ETF application similar to BlackRock iShares Spot Bitcoin ETF. Following in BlackRock's footsteps, Fidelity Investments is planning to submit the application to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Fidelity Investments operates its digital assets operations under Fidelity Digital Assets and is looking to expand its growth in the crypto industry. In addition to the spot Bitcoin ETF application, Fidelity is also reportedly making a bid to acquire Grayscale Investments, the largest digital asset management firm. However, both Fidelity and Grayscale have yet to comment on the rumored acquisition. If the deal goes through, it could be a significant move for Fidelity, as Grayscale is the issuer of the Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, that was recently rejected by the SEC for conversion into a Bitcoin ETF. The digital currency group-owned Grayscale is currently fighting the SEC's decision. The news has been met with positive reactions from the crypto community, with many anticipating Fidelity's move to deepen its crypto presence. Some analysts believe that the traditional financial firm may offer staking services soon, and Fidelity Digital Asset already offers Ethereum ETF in the US and Bitcoin ETFs on international exchanges. Fidelity has also been mining Bitcoin since 2014 and offering crypto custody services, indicating its interest in the crypto market. BlackRock and Invesco's ETF initiatives ignite Bitcoin surge, surpassing $30,000. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap, has surged above the $30,000 price point for the first time since April 19. This sudden increase is due to significant movements in the crypto investment sphere, especially around exchange-traded fund (ETF) filings by financial heavyweights BlackRock and Invesco. Last week, BlackRock, which is considered one of the world's largest asset managers, filed an application for what would be the first ever spot Bitcoin ETF in the US, causing a great deal of speculation in the market. Despite some skepticism by leading analysts, this move by BlackRock has been seen as a strong signal of Bitcoin's continued interest among the world's largest financial institutions. At this moment, Bitcoin is changing hands at $30,397 on the Bitstamp exchange, and it has increased by more than 11% in the past 24 hours alone. The market cap of the largest cryptocurrency currently stands at $592 billion. This recent development in the cryptocurrency market has caused a lot of excitement among investors and analysts alike. The question on everyone's minds is, will Bitcoin continue to rise past its current high, or will we see a significant drop in its price? Only time will tell, and we'll continue to monitor this story as it develops. Stay tuned for further updates on cryptocurrency and market trends.